For the third time in the past few months, the University of Missouri has disciplined their quarterback. Maty Mauk was suspended indefinitely late Monday night by the university after video surfaced on Twitter of a man who appears to be Mauk allegedly snorting a substance. Missouri AD Mack Rhoades and head coach Barry Odom cited the video in a joint statement, saying the school is currently gathering information and that this is an issue we take very seriously and one that will not be tolerated within our program. We will take appropriate action once we have all the facts. Mauk entered this past season as the starting quarterback, but was suspended in October and then again in November for what the Kansas City Star reported was an incident outside a Columbia bar. The junior has played since his freshman year when he took over for an injured James Franklin and has had a mostly productive career on the field, passing for over 4,300 yards with 42 touchdowns and 19 interceptions, while showing some dual threat ability with over 700 rushing yards.